Take a ride in the 2017 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires, rear all-season, tires, rear performance, convertible soft top. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.